The Poo-Heads are coming.
But you know the best thing about kids? They've got the best ideas in the world.
I thought of a surfing lobster.
I'm a lightning frog. And instead of a normal tongue, it will zap you with a lightning tongue.
Maybe a shrimp. They can shoot spider webs.
Gummy chocolate with caramel cookies, or chocolate with gummy worm cookies.
But a tantrum claw machine.
Fruit and veggie shop, except they're all made of cookie.
They've got an apple machine gun that shoots apples into your mouth.
A pizza bed made out of pizza.
A cookie house where you eat your way in.
Maybe an upside down.
Gummy bear turtles.
Sticky Booger Island.
Sticky booger.
The ocean of milk.
Like hot chocolate volcano.
I have an idea for the monkey. We can have a massage that gives him the powers.
Oh, look. He's got a mustache.